In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check accessibility in Excel. If you share spreadsheets with coworkers, clients, or students, checking accessibility is an important final step. It helps make sure your workbook is easier to use for people who rely on assistive technologies, and it can also help you catch formatting or structure issues you may have overlooked. The good news is that Excel has a built-in tool that makes this process quick and straightforward. To begin, open the Excel workbook that you want to review. This should be the file where you want to check for any accessibility concerns. Once the workbook is open, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct file, especially if you have multiple spreadsheets open at the same time. Next, go to the Review tab at the top of the Excel window. This tab contains several tools for inspecting and reviewing your workbook, and it's where you'll find the accessibility options as well. If you're new to Excel's ribbon layout, just look across the top menu until you see Review, then click it. From there, find the accessibility group and select Check Accessibility. When you click this, Excel will scan the workbook and look for elements that might make the file harder for some users to navigate or understand. This can include issues related to charts, objects, worksheet structure, or other content inside the workbook. After the scan runs, the accessibility pane will open on the right side of the screen. This pane is where Excel lists any accessibility issues it finds in the workbook. You'll be able to review the results in one place, which makes it much easier to work through the file without guessing what needs attention. Now, click on any issue listed in the accessibility pane. When you select one, Excel will jump directly to the affected cell, chart, object, or worksheet. This saves time and helps you immediately see where the problem is located, especially in larger workbooks with multiple sheets. Once you've jumped to the issue, review the explanation shown in the pane. Excel will usually tell you why the issue matters and provide recommended steps to fix it. Read those suggestions carefully, then apply the recommended fix in your workbook. This is helpful because it not only points out the problem, but also guides you toward a practical solution. Continue going through each issue in the pane until you've reviewed everything Excel found. And that's it. That's how to check accessibility in Excel and use the built-in accessibility checker to identify and fix issues more effectively.